I'm here in West Nashville to see a good friend of mine who's an amazing chef who has 4 restaurants and a brewery and also is the winner of Tournament of Champions, too.
Come on, guy. Are you going to be talking about me the whole day? Let's go in and cook.
This is Maneet Chauhan, and this is Chattable Indian Street Food. Yes, chef, I'm coming right now.
Let's go.
Puchkas, slider, samosa.
Chattable is more than a restaurant. It's an experience.
You have cauliflower thali.
As soon as you open the doors and walk in, it's like you're in India.
Which is where the story of this power couple, Vivek Diora and Maneet Chauhan, began during college and continue with a worldwide journey through the restaurant biz.
We came here and we just fell in love with the opportunity that the city provided us.
Indian food is all about freshness.
Right.
Capture the freshness and you've captured the soul. Make it approachable, and that's what we've been doing.
Table 25, Puchka up.
The pushka doesn't look like anything you've ever seen.
It has garbanzo beans in there with some potatoes. Then you pour over this really yummy cilantro chili water.
Kind of just like breaks in your mouth and is really great.
What are we making today?
Puchka. They are these semolina puffs, mint cilantro water, and tamarind chutney.
Oh, so easy for you to
So
say.
easy. For the filling, we start with some boiled potatoes, which we have shredded, black garbanzo, boiled in salt and water, cilantro, roasted cumin powder, Kashmiri chili, which is an Indian chili, chaat masala,
The predominant flavor inside of this is
dried raw mango powder, salt, sugar. Mix it up and our filling is ready.
and we're gonna make a dipping sauce for this?
Actually, 2 dipping sauces, tamarind chutney,
Okay.
and 1 will be a mint cilantro water.
Ooh, I love good water dips. Come on down to Chattable.
So we start with some fresh cilantro, mint leaves, jalapeno, ginger, some lime juice, red chili powder,
Right.
chaat masala, and some salt.
Ooh, and then the key component.
Water. That's it, we blend it. This is Indian cola.
You have all these great spices and herbs, and then you just dump a soda in it.
When you taste it, you'll know why. There is a residual effervescence.
That was my college band. We were awesome. Ta-da.
It's done. We're making a tamarind chutney. So we're going to start by toasting some of the spices. Canola oil, fennel seeds, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, Kashmiri mirch, or Indian red chili.
And is that like a chili darble?
It is. The spices need to dance. It's very important. That's where they release their true potential and flavor.
So we're gonna stop that cooking process.
By putting some ginger,
Got it.
some raisins, tamarind water, jaggery,
So that's Indian brown sugar.
chaat masala, black salt. It is salt which has been extracted from a rock. Do you get the sulfur in it?
Wow. It's like egg and salt. And then it just goes up into your nose.
Tamarind pulp, water.
We're gonna let this reduce.
Cool it, puree it, and that's it.
So next thing we have to do is fill the...
Puchkas.
Now, what are the puffs made of?
Semolina flour, whole wheat flour, all-purpose flour, and rice flour.
Made into a dough, it's dehydrated, and you fry them, and then when it's dropped, it does the poof. That's the way you make the opening, right?
Yes.
So each one Maneet has bitten into.
By adding all of these ingredients in it, it's going to take it to the next level. Black garbanzo and potato filling. Put the tamarind chutney in it. I already have the water over here.
Got
We'll
it.
put some micro cilantro at the base,
Some little baby chickpeas.
some pomegranate. That's it. So you pour it in the puff.
You pour the water in the puff.
Have it in a bite, otherwise you will be wearing it.
Okay. It is outstanding. It's giving me goosebumps. There's so much flavor. I get tang, I get herbaceous, I get spicy, I get great texture from that baby chickpea, creaminess of the potato, but it's the fun of the crunch. It's kind of like you're eating a plastic Easter egg and then doesn't hurt your mouth. What? As much fun as I made of the mint cilantro water, the water's the bomb.
Here's your puchka.
Those are just fun to prepare at your table.
And the filling with the garbanzo beans adds that kind of little bit of a savoriness to the dish. It's just like,
And then the water that you pour in. I love it.